sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in blue. Put on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I'll call my mama and daddy, baby, you call yours too. Put on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in blue. Put on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you.
To my not-so-distant future wife, Lammy. Ah! Can you believe this day is finally here? Can you believe we met? I cannot believe how amazingly lucky I am to have found someone as incredible as you are in every way. The love I feel for you has only grown since the day I met you, and I'm so excited to stand with you at the end of that aisle and officially become your property. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, starting in a few short hours. 2 little words, sealed with a kiss, and the adventure begins. Happy wedding, happy forever. Always and forever, your sheepy.
My fiance on our wedding day. Fiance of the day is here. Oh, sheep. These are the last few hours as fiancés. I love you with all my heart, and I'm so excited to spend the rest of our lives together. Just taking each moment today. Don't care about little things. It's okay if you can't find your socks. So, when it's soon by, we should soak it in. This will be the best day of our lives so far. I never knew I could have a relationship like ours. You were way better than the man of my dreams. And soon I'll be able to share my husband. I don't want to make you cry. Good job. Yeah, that's what your vows are for. I love you. Let's get married. We'll take photos first. Wow, your fiance for the last time. Oh, man. You're gorgeous.
These are so pretty. Hi.
Hi. You're gorgeous. I cried during your car.
This is so pretty. This is so pretty.
Your dress is amazing.
I'm sorry, it's sharp.
It's sharp. It's okay. Oh my God.
I'm already crying off my makeup. Or this is my bouquet.
This is your bouquet. Isn't it pretty?
It's so pretty.
It smells delicious too. Oh, the heart, good choice. You're so beautiful.
We didn't. I mean, we didn't do anything yet.
We're close.
This is me.
You're so beautiful. I love you. Oh, these vows are gonna be hard.
I was like, it's starting.
Every moment has led us to this day. Every journey that brought us to this place. We're filled with wonder that words couldn't ever contain. This is what we've been waiting for.
A couple months before we met, I made a list of qualities that I wanted in a future husband. I wanted someone funny, who makes themselves happy, preferably taller than me, someone who cares about their health, fights fair, and is committed with no doubts. Upon meeting you, I realized that you not only met every single criteria, but your qualities far exceeded anything I even knew I could wish for in a partner. You are the most devoted, attentive, and thoughtful person I've ever met. Not to mention creative, handsome, kind, hilarious, the best doggy daddy in the world, and most importantly, my bestie.
Can you believe we met? To this day, I still can't believe how lucky we were to meet each other. Oh wow, this is the start. Oh boy. We're good. Okay. They say marriage has its hardships, its ups and downs, its gifts and takes. But I know that as long as I have you by my side, we can make it through absolutely anything.
I have never felt so safe, so sure, and so home. I don't know what I did in this life to deserve someone as amazing as you, but I promise to strive every day to be the kind of partner you are to me.
Rachel, I promise to always do my best to put a smile on your face, whether you're happy or sad.
I promise to love you as fiercely as you love Star Wars, to snuggle you as tightly as we do our puppies, and to with you forever.
I promise to always bot you, whether prompted or not.
I vow to cherish you, to choose you, and to be weird with you for every precious moment that we get to spend together on this earth.
I promise to grow with you, laugh with you, cry with you. She did so much better. Always be a constant for you. I promise to always take care of you. I promise to be your best friend and your partner. And I promise that I'll spend the rest of my life giving you all of me.
You are the love of my life and the best thing that's ever happened to me. And I cannot wait to have a sleepover every night for the rest of our lives as best friends, Sheepy and Lammy, and soon, husband and wife.
You're the most genuine person I know. You're my best friend, my lamb. I finally understand why they say my better half. I can't imagine my life without you. And thankfully from this day on, I never have to. I love you.
You didn't.
In the presence of these witnesses, and in keeping with Jewish tradition, you have spoken the words and performed the rites that unite your lives. You are now husband and wife, according to California and Jewish law in the sight of this community and all people. Let's get a woohoo! Mazel tov!
And dreamed of and imagined our perfect guys. We would spend weekends in Arrowhead describing how the perfect guy would put his arm around you or take your hand at the exact right moment without you having to tell him, and how he would make us feel, and how he would value our families and our friendships like we did. Brandon, you really do exist. You are Rachel's perfect guy. You're everything we talked about. And I see how happy you guys are together and how happy you make her. And I can't imagine anything more perfect than what you two are for each other.
For in Brandon, Linda and I believe that Rachel has found both a perfect human being and a perfect complement.
But I've got to tell you, I saw how Brandon and Rachel fit together and how they just work together, they live and they love together.
So with this, their wedding night, I feel a little compelled to do my fatherly job because I feel like I need to have the talk with Brandon. And it's their wedding night, right? So, Brandon, listen carefully. 3 sentences. Are you ready? Listen carefully, my son. Yes, dear, Anything you say, dear. I've never been so happy in my life, dear.
Rachel, thank you for making my best friend complete. I truly never seen him so happy, even after the Avalanche win. You two truly bring out the best in each other, and it's amazing. Even though you have Rachel now, Brandon, I want you to know that I'm always here with you. The white spot on your beard may be called the Watson stress patch, but I'm sure Rachel thinks it is very distinguished. In closing, I ask everyone to raise his glass. We toast to this beautiful bride and distinguished groom, to love, laughter, and everything after. L'chaim.
We are so excited to be Mr. and Mrs. Seltzer.
Let's go. It's time to go, go, go. It's time to go, go, go. Let's go. Let's go. What you waiting for? Your prayers are already answered. Do you really want it? Ain't got no time to wait. Let's go.